Okay, good afternoon again. So this is our daily stand-up for week 9 in day 6. So let's start from your progresses. Um, can you share your progress? Someone volunteer or Tawabo, can you start? Hello, or Daraji, can you start sharing us your progress?
Yeah, basically, thank you. Recently, I have finished the portfolio optimization, and then heading to the last task 5. So, yeah, I have submitted the interim challenges too. So, yeah, it's going good.
That's a great progress, Daraji. Thank you for sharing your progress. Kitababu said he can speak. Kitababu, you can type it on the chat. Just let's know your progress and if you don't have any blockers. And do you have any blockers or it's going good so far?
No blockers. Basically, regarding task 3, I was trying to do the forecast using returns, and but I was asked to, when I review the project description, the thing was we have to use prices for the forecast, and then I had to do it again. But both of them, they they provide me unaligned output. So yeah, there's no any challenge. But sometimes just we have to deeply understand what the project description is.
Yeah, you're right. But you can also do it with returning. You can change it to the price later. Most of the time, prices are more stable to forecast for doing with forecasting. But
Yeah, but
have you done it with returns or the price?
no, now I did in both ways. I use returns and prices, but for the return scenario, what I found, what I understand is that most of the returns, they align around 0. And when I compute covariance, they were in a division of something with, so it was returning, infinitive kind of thing. So I think it's not suggested to use returns for forecast. So when I see the project description again, it says prices. So price is, I think it's a good move. It's a good move anyway.
Yeah, if you do it with both ways, that's great. That's the thing that we need first to compare it and to see which one is working better with your tasks. So that's thank you, Director. And Babu has submitted interim submission, finished model training and evaluation, currently working on task 3. Okay, that's also really great. You're on good progress, both of you. That's really great. Thank you so much for joining, for sharing your progresses, and also for the insights strategy. Thank you. Okay, let's wait for some more minutes if anyone has joined us.
Can I ask you my one question, please?
Yeah, you can.
Good. Lela Soskimeta, begin.
Yeah, really. Okay.
So my forecast is telling me that for Tesla, the next 6 months will be, it's a catastrophic. When I see the trend, it's just a catastrophic downside or downstream. So I'm not sure if my forecast is good or not. Just in case, if you tell me I'm on the good path, but I try to enhance my codes, my procedures, my steps, but I'm getting the same result. But I don't. I'm confused. Is really Tesla will have a 6 months downside kind of thing, because Tesla is a good company. So, yes, if you have something,
Yeah, if you're just not more accurate about your forecasting things, just you have to revise it somehow ድጋሚ ማለት ነው። የወሰድካቸውን ስቴፖች ትሬን የተደረገበትን አትሊስት ላይክ ትሬን እና ቴስት ስፕሊት አድርገን ነው መጀመሪያ የምንሰራው። የመጀመሪያው ፕሮሰሳችን የሚሆነው
Yes.
ያ ፕሬዲክሽን ላይ አሪፍ ነበረ። ቴስት ያደረግከውን ኢቫሉዌት ተደርገው ጥሩ ነበር። ሪዛልቱ ኢረር ሬቱ ምናምን እንዴት ነበር?
Yeah, it was all good, all good.
ኢረሩም ሁሉም ነገሩ አሪፍ ነበረ ማለት ነው። ትሬንድ ውስጥ እንዴት ነበር እየሄደ ነበረ? ሜቢ ትሬኒንግ ቴስት ላይ አሪፍ ነው። ከዛ ወደ ታች ደግሞ ሲሄድ እየቀነሰ የነበረ ከሆነ አሁን ላይ ያለው ስቴት ማለት ነው የሰጠነው ዳታ ሴት አለ አይደለም? ያ ዳታ ሴት ላይ እየቀነሰ ከነበር የነበረው ቢቢ አሁንም እንደዛው ሊቀጥል ይችላል።
ያ እንደዛ ነው አናላይዝ ያደረኩት። እየቀነሰ እንደሚሄድ ነው። በሪተርንም በፕራይስም ሳየው ሪተርኑ ሳየው ወደ ዜሮ አፕሮች የሚያደርግ ሪተርን ያለው ፎር ዘ ኔክስት 6 months። በፕራይስም ሳየው ፕራይሱን ኤክሴሉን ምንድነው አናላይዝ አድርጌ ያመጣሁት የፎርካስቱን ሮ ቫልዩም ሳየው ጀስት ቀነሰ የሚሄድ ፕራይስ ነው ያሳየኝ እና ለኔ ከቴስላ ካለው አቋም ጋር ሄዳል አይደል የሚለውን ነው እንጂ ኦልሞስት አይ ቲንክ ፕሮሰሱን ስቴፑ በትክክል ይሰራል ያሰው
እሱን ፕሮሰስ እና ስቴፖችን በትክክል ከሄድክ ሜቢ ያንተ ፎርካስቲንግ ትክክል ሊሆን ይችላል ማለት ነው። የሁላችንም ይለያያል እንደ አካሄዳችን፣ እንደ ስቴፓችን፣ እንደ አጠቃቀማችን ነው ሪተርን ፕራይስ አወርድ ነው እንደ አጠቃቀማችን ይለያያል። ግን ያው ትክክል የመሆን ፕሮባቢሊቲ ያለው ፎርካስቲንግ እንደሚባለው ትክክል ነው የሚል እንትንን አይደለም ማለት ነው። ይዘ ፎርካስት ስናደርግ ኤግዛክት ፕራይስ አይደለም ፎርካስት እናደርገው ጀስት ግን ሊቀንስ ይችላል የሚል ፕሮባቢሊቲ እየሰጠህ ነው ለአንተ ማለት ነው።
Yes. Besides the 95% confidence interval, also it also suggests me that it's just confident for the next 6 months the Tesla will,
increase ማለት ነው። So that's a great strategy. እነዚህ ሁሉ ፎሎ ካደረክ ትክክል ነው።
Good, thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, George. Okay, Branu, can you share us your progress, or if you do have any blockers? Branu, can you share your progress? If you do have any blockers, have you submitted your? Okay, Branu, you can just type it on the chat. Have you submitted your entry submissions? And also, how is your tasks going on? Okay, Abraham also said, yes, I submitted the entry one and I'm going through the next final submission. I'm good with the project. Okay, that's really great to hear. Yeah. All of you are having a good progresses and a good setup, so that's really good to hear. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining. And we'll have the Q&A session later also. If you do have any questions, any insights that you want to share, you can join the session later. We'll have this session. So, and Daraji, also you can share us your insights there. If there are some students who might have some.
Okay, good.
Yes.
Yes.
You can do it. We'll also share it there. Thank you so much for joining and have a nice day.